Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here, all the way from Ghana, asked me to make payment for their goods on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Just like what you see right here, these are the screenshots of all the products we want to make payment for on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And I decided to make it a video so everyone can see how we actually make payment on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Tauba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is to access from my WhatsApp right here, and I'll go ahead and open up my Pinduoduo shopping app right here. Having opened up my Pinduoduo shopping app, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to profile. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to fill my cart. Now you can see all the products in my cart right here, just like we have it on my WhatsApp. Now to make payment for all these products, what we want to do is to click on here to select this, click on here to select this, click on here to select this, and I'm paying for this also. Then I'm paying for this, 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 I'm paying for this. So I'm paying for all these particular products selected right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different stores. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, review everything and make sure they are all correct. Once you are satisfied with all the products, next thing you want to do is to choose your means of payment right here. So as at the time of making this video, these are available means of payment on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. You can either pay with your WeChat, you can either pay with friend request, you can either pay with Alipay, or you're paying someone to pay for you. So in this tutorial, I'm going to make use of my Alipay for the payment. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout and payment. Lastly, I will enter my payment password to complete the payment with my Alipay. Now payment done successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to screenshot this proof of payment. Lastly, I will go ahead and click on done. I'm going to close, and I'm going to go ahead and click on here to close this bumper. I'll go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, you can see all the 11 goods we just paid for has been found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see them right here. Lastly, I'm going to access from my Pinduoduo app right here and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on here now, gallery, proof of payment, and say payment done. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import and ship products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.